Alright, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. House call. Honda Civic. Been on the road with these. A lot of alternators and starters and whatnot. But '06 Honda Civic. I'm gonna be doing a starter replacement on it. Let me show you how I do that without replacing or without taking out the CV axles. Alright, we're gonna get up under here real quick and show you what's going on. This is the location of the starter. Alright. That's the transmission. That's the engine. Alright. Go up. What we're looking at right here is the starter. Alright, first and foremost, we're gonna take out this bracket right here. It has two 10 millimeter bolts and one 12. And we're gonna get that bracket out right there. Alright, next we're gonna remove this here. Remove that off of that little tab. Just press up on that tab and push up on the actual harness, and it'll come up off of that. It should look like that. That's another harness, that connector right, that one right there, and then this one over here. Remove it the same way. And get over here. Get focused. Alright. You can see this bolt right here. That's the bolt for the top. Alright. And the bolt for the bottom is right there. Alright, that's going to be the easiest one. That one is a little harder because it's up there by the manifold. But we can get it. And this is how I'm getting that one. 14 mil, 3/8 ratchet. Already broke it loose. I'm going to the top. Let me show you this. This is the top bolt to the starter. I already got it on there, that socket on there. I got my ratchet right here, and then I put a wrench on it to get leverage. See that? And I just pulled down on it because it was no way for me to get enough leverage to break that top bolt. But it's loose now, and I can just undo it. Bottom bolt, get that out of the way. I already got the top loose. And that's the top bolt, this big ass thing, and the bottom. Now you got this connectors, power wire right here. Alright, next you want to take off this little cap right here. That's a 13 millimeter bolt holding that connector in there. That's that cap. And that's the bolt. And that right there, this little piece here, that's connected to the starter. You want to go ahead and take that out. Squeeze it in. Both sides. Alright, as soon as that come up off of there, then you can take off the connector. See how the connector right there, out the way. I almost forgot the signal wire. Alright, that signal wire, that's how that look. You pretty much gotta press the tab in, press it in, and then pull it. Comes out. Let's see how this coming out here. Probably better to go on a driver passenger side. Let's see. cylinder part. Alright, so this is it. Brand new gold alternator. Don't have to replace anything, none of these. Got that on it. Got the brackets on it. Alright, swap it out. Let's go in. So I didn't realize, just realized this right here. So this is going to be a new piece that they have already ready for the install. I'm going to take that other one off of the other one. That one right there. So I'm going to just take this one off and put the new one on there. Swap it out. I went ahead and installed that piece. I'm going to go on the passenger side and install this way. Alright, I'm going in like this. I got the connector, the signal wire hooked up. Now I'm going to hook up the power wire in this position. Alright, I set it in the spot. See it hanging. I'm going to go ahead and put the bolts in. That's that brand new one right there. Go ahead and install that bracket on this side. And we're good to go. Alright, we in there. That's that bracket right there. Make sure you connect your battery. If you're liking the video, you know what to do, man. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, man. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all get at me, man. Next video.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.